Hi, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making just a simple but great chocolate mousse recipe. It's a chocolate mousse recipe that can be used for cake torts like a black forest cake, the banana roulade that we made, or just simply to have in a glass with some berries as a dessert, a simple dessert. And what it is we're going to start with 3 whole eggs and a quarter cup of sugar, and we're just going to whisk that up on the machine with the whisk until it's nice and aerated. So what we're looking for is to aerate the eggs and the sugar like you would for a cake. This is a great time to add a liqueur to the eggs. So you could add a shot or a couple of tablespoons of Grand Marnier to make it an orange chocolate mousse. Things like Kahlua, maybe a peppermint schnapps. Chocolate and peppermint would be also good, but you'd add it now and turn the machine back on and whisk it in. What we're going to do now is put it on a second speed and incorporate the chocolate into the eggs before we add it to our whipped cream. So we have 300 grams of melted chocolate. And we go up to speed 3. So the chocolate is mixed into the eggs, and you just want to scrape it around the bowl. Shake that off. Take the spatula, and we have 500 grams of whipped cream, and we're just going to fold them both in. So I can add the whipped cream to the chocolate. And we'll slowly fold that in. And we're going to refrigerate this and let it thicken up a little before we pipe it into our champagne glasses for dessert. Our chocolate mousse that we made was in the refrigerator for around 2 hours. In the bowl we mixed it in so it's got nice and cold. We're just going to fill our piping bag and use these 2 champagne glasses to use it for our dessert. We're going to decorate the tops of the chocolate mousse with a half a strawberry. And Daniel's going to cut those for us. And as I said before, this chocolate mousse was used in our banana roulade and can be used for many cake fillings, etc. or just a simple dessert like that in a champagne glass for dinner. Real simple, real easy, great for the kids to make. And I don't know, tell me, does it taste good?
Yeah.
It's good. Hope you enjoy that, and leave a comment on our cooking site and let us know what you think. If you have any questions and concerns, you can let us know that as well. Thank you.